Alright, what's up guys? So, we're doing a video today where it's shotguns only throughout the whole campaign. I just completed Dust. So we're just gonna start where like the actual campaign starts. Alright, here we go. Alright, first one. Cool. Alright, let's go.
Not good. We'll have to go in dark. Main mission is to prevent the Taloki.
Now I gotta use this as much as I can, but I can use this.
Negotiation is not an option.
Thanks for the reminder. Taloki inside. Fire at will. Pin down.
Yeah, this is where the challenge starts. Alright, there we go. Alright. Alright, here we go. Also, with other shotguns, like the enemy shotguns, you can only use one. Like, one cylinder. Alright, there we go.
Covering fire.
I'm not in the house here. House is gonna be easy. Perfect. Oh my god. I can also, if I can find it, I can use the box weapons. There we go. But only for like, I don't know, I guess, the enemies. Okay, we're gonna have to switch.
Soldiers, but they compensate that with their numbers.
Copy that.
Alright,
Right through this mission.
I won't underestimate the Taloki again, and I advise you to
I wanna use this, but
A group of
no.
Taloki are raiding around that area.
I
They
can't.
must have a nest nearby. The OSA reinforcement is on the way. Clear the forest glade for the landing.
Enemy movement.
Alright, let's go. There we go. I'm gonna go up there. Oh, I'm lagging a little bit. Alright. Also, ignore like in this game. Oh. Ignore the like weapon stats. If the weapon is like higher up on the list, like it costs more and everything, then it's just a better weapon. Like this thing had like the same stats, but hey, it's a lot better.
The Hilla crew didn't make it. Gather their dog tags. The families will appreciate it.
Oh man.
The pilot reported a wood processing plant not that far away with suspicious movements. Explore that area.
Alright, let's go. Alright. Alright, well, I think that's gonna end the video here. I'll see y'all in the next video. Bye.